Little known facts about UK trains that no one tells you. Once train doors close, any remaining unsold seats effectively become non-revenue generating capacity. That's one reason why many discounts aren't heavily advertised. Most people simply search for their route and book the first available fare, but experienced travelers often check for discount options first. Open TrainPal, tap 3 times and enter Deal 1. You'll see heavily discounted tickets, all subsidised by the platform and with no booking fee. Plus, your railcard can get 20% off, saving £7 compared to the standard price. Not many people know this little trick, so act fast!